This video will show how we divide decimal numbers using the place value concepts that we've learned through Eureka Math up to now. So I'm starting here with what you'll recognize as a place value table, and I have my decimal point in this column right here, and I'm going to make this my tenths column, since that's the one right after the decimal point, the hundredths column, and the thousandths column. On the left hand of the decimal point, I'm going to start with my ones place, my tens place, and my hundreds place. So if I have a number like, let's say 2.486, and I want to divide this number by 2, what I'm going to do is think about how many ones I have. Well, I have 2 ones. I can see that right here. And I'm going to say 2 ones divided by 2 is going to give me 1. Then I'm going to say if I have 4 tenths, 4 tenths divided by 2 is going to give me 2 tenths. So I'll put 2 here. 8 100ths divided by 2 will give me 4 100ths. So I'll put my 4 here. And 6 1000ths divided by 2 is going to give me 3 1000ths. So I can see that if I keep my decimal in the same place, that my resulting number is 1.243, or 1 243 thousandths. And that's how I do decimal division. Now, if I look at a trickier number, for example, if I say 45, so I'm going to put the 4 in the tens place, 5 in the ones place, 0.0, let's make it a little bit trickier, 35. And I want to divide 45.035 by 5. So if I'm dividing it by 5, I'm going to look at this place value, the tens place, and it's a 4, so that's not easily divided by 5. So I'm going to say, what do I have in my ones? How many ones do I have? And I have 45 ones. So that way I'm taking my tens place value and I'm combining it with what I have in the ones place value, and it gives me 45 ones. If I divide 45 ones by 5, I'm going to have 9 ones. So 45 ones divided by 5 is going to give me 9 ones. I'm then going to come to the 0. Well, I can't divide that by 5. It'll just give me 0. So I'm going to look over at the 3. If I have 3 100ths, I still can't divide that by 5 easily. So I'm going to go over one more place value. I'm going to say I have 35 thousandths. And if I divide 35 thousandths divided by 5, I'm going to get 35 thousandths divided by 5 is 7 thousandths. So my 7 is here. What do I put here? In the tenths place, a 0, because I couldn't do any division there. What do I put in the 100ths place? Another 0, because I couldn't complete any division there. So really my answer, 45.035 divided by 5 is 9, and I forgot to carry this decimal point, 9.007. And that's how we divide based on our place value. Okay, so you should have gotten an email from me with a link to a very short quiz that is multiple choice, but do use the place value chart to get your answer, and I'm sure you'll get the correct answer. If you have any problems, let me know in email, or you can use it as part of the response, and we'll review it again. Thank you.